Welcome back to Old Charles, your home for coin history, hidden treasures, and coin collecting secrets. In today's video, we're diving deep into the story of the 2013 United States 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln Shield cent. Is it just a regular penny? Or could that 2013 coin in your pocket be worth way more than 1 cent? Stick around till the end. You might be surprised. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical person, and since then, it's been in continuous production, making it one of the most iconic coins in American history. In 2010, the reverse design was changed from the Lincoln Memorial to the Union Shield, a design that continues to this day. This new reverse was meant to symbolize Lincoln's preservation of the United States as a single, unified nation. The 2013 Lincoln Shield cent features a right-facing bust of President Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner, a design that has remained largely unchanged since 1909. The reverse shows a simple yet powerful Union shield with a banner across it reading 1 cent, representing the strength of the nation. Other inscriptions include "In God We Trust **** above Lincoln's head, Liberty *** on the left side, and the date, 2013, with a mint mark below or beside it. In 2013, the Lincoln cent was struck at multiple U.S. mint facilities: Philadelphia, no mint mark, ***, over 3.7 billion coins; Denver, D mint mark, over 3.3 billion coins; San Francisco, S mint mark. But these were only proof coins made for collectors, not circulation. With billions of coins minted, you'd think they're all common, but there are always exceptions in circulated condition, the kind most of us find in pocket change. A 2013 penny is generally worth 1 cent, but if you find a 2013 cent in mint state condition, especially graded MS 65 or higher, the value can jump. Circulated *** 1 cent MS 63 red *** $0.10 to $0.30 MS 65 red *** $0.50 to $1 MS 67 red top grade *** $5 to $25 depending on demand. Mint proof coins from San Francisco with the S mint mark are valued around $2 to $5 if still in original proof sets or in pristine condition. Here's where it gets exciting: error coins. Some 2013 Lincoln cents have rare mint errors that collectors are willing to pay big money for. Double die obverse, DDO, ***, Lincoln's face, date, or Liberty looks doubled. Off-center strikes ***, part of the design is missing due to misalignment. Die cracks or cuds ***, raised lines or blobs from worn-out dies. Struck on the wrong planchet ***, for example, if it was struck on a dime blank. Some 2013 Lincoln error coins have sold for $50 to over $250 depending on the severity and rarity of the error. Thinking about collecting 2013 pennies, here's a few tips to keep them valuable. Handle coins by the edges only. Store in acid-free flips or airtight capsules. Avoid cleaning coins, it lowers their value. Look closely at the date, lettering, and Lincoln's features with a magnifier. So, is your 2013 1-cent coin worth a fortune? Maybe not, unless you've got a rare mint error or a high-grade gem. But every coin has a story, and the Lincoln cent continues to remind us of one of America's greatest leaders. The story of the 2013 United States 1-cent coin is part of a much larger journey, one that began over a century ago. Back in 1909, the U.S. Mint released the Lincoln cent to celebrate the 100th birthday of President Abraham Lincoln. This was a historic moment. It marked the very first time a real person's face was featured on a regular U.S. coin. Before this, most coins had symbolic images like Lady Liberty. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the original Lincoln cent featured 2 wheat ears on the reverse and became known as the wheat penny. These coins were minted until 1958. In 1959, the reverse was changed to the Lincoln Memorial to honor the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. This design remained for 5 decades, becoming one of the most recognized coins in America. Fast forward to 2009, the U.S. Mint released 4 special reverse designs to celebrate Lincoln's 200th birthday and to show different stages of his life from his birth in Kentucky to his presidency in Washington, D.C. And then came 2010. The U.S. Mint introduced the Shield Reverse, which is what you'll see on the 2013 penny. This bold new design represents President Lincoln's role in preserving the Union during the Civil War. The shield itself has 13 vertical stripes for the original colonies and a single horizontal bar representing unity, a strong symbol of national strength. By 2013, the Lincoln Shield cent was fully established in everyday circulation. It was struck in massive numbers at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints. While the design stayed the same, the 2013 edition continues the legacy of a coin that has adapted over time, reflecting the values and history of a changing America. From wheat to memorial to shield, the Lincoln cent has evolved with the nation. And the 2013 penny is more than just copper-plated zinc. It's a tiny, everyday reminder of one of America's greatest presidents and a symbol of unity, freedom, and resilience. When it comes to coin collecting, one of the most important things to understand is condition, also called coin grading. A coin's condition can make the difference between a coin that's worth just 1 cent and one that could sell for several dollars, or even more. Coin condition is graded on a 70-point scale, called the Sheldon scale. Let's break it down simply: poor, P1, to about good, AG, 3***. These coins are very worn, and details are barely visible. These are typically only worth face value. Good, G4, to very fine, VF, 20***. The coin is still worn, but major features like Lincoln's face and the shield are visible. Again, usually worth just 1 cent. Extremely fine. EF, 40***, slight wear, but sharp details. These might be worth a few cents more than face value to beginner collectors. Mint state, MS 60 to MS 65. These are uncirculated coins. They've never been used and show no signs of wear. They can be worth 25 cents to $2**, depending on how clean and sharp they are. 66 to MS 67**. Higher grade coins with amazing luster and almost no imperfections. These can bring $5 to $25, especially if graded by companies like PCGS or NGC. 68 and MS 69**, rare, nearly perfect coins. Some examples from 2013 have sold for over $100 MS 70**, a perfect coin, but extremely rare and hard to find even fresh from a mint roll. Color also matters for Lincoln cents. Collectors often describe them as red, RD***, like new copper shine. Most valuable: red-brown, RB***, part red, part darkened. Brown, BN***, fully toned and aged. Least valuable of the three. If you want your 2013 penny to keep its value, don't clean it. Cleaning damages coins. Store it in a protective flip, coin capsule, or album. Use gloves or hold it only by the edges. Even though the 2013 Lincoln cent is modern, condition makes a huge difference. A shiny, uncirculated 2013 cent is much more valuable and collectible than a scratched or dirty one from circulation. Well, most people think a penny is just a penny, but depending on condition, mint mark, and errors, some 2013 cents can be worth much more than 1 cent. If you found your 2013 penny in pocket change, chances are it's circulated and worth just 1 cent. These coins were produced in the billions, so most aren't rare. If your 2013 penny looks brand new and shiny, never used, it might be mint state or MS grade. These can sell for more, especially if professionally graded. MS 63 red $0.15 $0.30 MS 65 red $0.50 $1.00 MS 67 red $5 $25 MS 68 red top grade up to $75 $150 at auctions. A 2013 D Lincoln cent graded MS 68 red by PCGS sold for $188 in a collector auction. Proof coins are made just for collectors. They have a mirror-like finish, sharp details, and come from the San Francisco Mint. Standard proof, PR, 65 plus $2 $5 deep cameo proofs, PR, 69 or PR, 70 $10 $20 plus, often sold in U.S. Mint proof sets. If you find one in original packaging, it may be worth more as part of a set. Some 2013 pennies were minted with mistakes, and these error coins can be worth $50, $100, or even more to collectors. Double die errors ***, especially on Liberty or Lincoln's face. Worth $25, backslash $150 off-center strikes. Part of the design is missing. Worth backslash $20 backslash $100 die cracks slash cuds, raised lines or blobs. Worth backslash $10 backslash $75 wrong planchet errors, struck on dime blanks. These are extremely rare and worth backslash $200, so next time you see a 2013 penny, don't toss it away without a second look. It could be hiding value far beyond its face. Whether it's a shiny uncirculated beauty, a rare proof, or an error coin, that little cent might just be a collector's dream.